Hello friends. You want to make your house and office look stunning, right? Yes, me too, and every one of us. Because the space we live in directly impact our productivity, our well-being, and our mood. Now, how can you do it without spending a dime? It's a tough question, but I made it easy for you. So today I'll show you a tool, AI Room Planner, where you can upload the image of your place and within second AI will create stunning interiors for your place. And the best part, it's completely free to use right now. So what are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for, huh?
Let's go to the Google and type AI Room Planner and click on the first link. On the home page, you will see a Get Started button. Click on it. Here you will find two boxes. In the first box, upload your image and the second box will show the result. I want to redesign my kitchen and bedroom both. So let's start with kitchen first. First click drop an image to upload the image. Below that you will see two options, room and style. Select the kitchen under room, choose your desired style and then click render the new idea. Within seconds your redesigned image will be ready. And here is the before and after result. Doesn't it look awesome?
Yes! That's awesome!
Now let's redesign the bedroom. So I'm following the same step and check out the final result. If you do not like, you can change the style and render it unlimited times. I have used this tool to redesign many times and you can see how great the results are. If you are planning to hire an expensive interior designer consultant, then you should also try these paid tools that does the job in fraction of cost. After testing many tools, I found this one to be the best AI home design tool. Check out the results. If you want additional features, you can get a plan and redesign up to 100 images and you can also try many of their features. So that can save a lot of cost for you. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one.